You ever look around your house and just sigh? Like no matter how much you clean, it's never really clean. The floors look dull again, the dishes are back in the sink, the couch has crumbs like it's their permanent home. You start wondering, why am I always tired of cleaning? Why does something so simple drain me so deeply? Maybe it's not just the mess. Maybe it's something bigger, something quieter. Something that's been sitting in the back of your mind every time you pick up that broom. Let's talk about it, because it's not just about dust, it's about what it's doing to you. 1. The endless loop that never ends. It starts the same every time. You wake up, you see crumbs on the counter, clothes tossed on a chair, that one cup in the sink. You sigh. You tell yourself, I'll clean later. But later never really comes, does it? Because when you finally pick up the broom, you already feel tired. Not just from the mess, but from the idea of it, the routine, the loop, the same cycle that eats your hours, your patience, your peace. Cleaning becomes a ghost that follows you around. Every time you think it's done, it isn't. Every time you try to rest, something else calls your attention. You start feeling trapped inside your own home, like no matter how much you do, it's never enough. And maybe that's the real reason you're exhausted, not from cleaning, but from the thought that it never ends. 2. The brain gets tired before the body. You think cleaning tires your arms. It doesn't. It tires your mind. The brain wants results. It craves an endpoint. But cleaning, it has no finish line. You wipe the table and dust lands again tomorrow. You wash the clothes and new ones pile up before you even fold the last batch. So your brain stops seeing the point. It whispers quietly, why bother? That whisper becomes a weight, a heaviness before you even start. You stand there staring at the clutter, feeling like the mess somehow reflects you. It doesn't, but it feels that way. And when something feels endless, it becomes exhausting before it even begins. That's why you're drained. Your mind quit long before your hands ever did. 3. The hidden burden of mental labor. Let's be honest. Cleaning isn't just about mopping or dusting. It's the thinking that wears you out. You're not just scrubbing surfaces, you're managing everything. You remember when the towels need washing? You know which cleaner works best for the tiles. You plan when to buy detergent. You carry it all quietly. No one sees that load, but it's there, sitting heavy in the back of your mind. You go to bed thinking about laundry. You wake up thinking about dishes. That invisible to-do list never shuts off. And that's why you feel tired even when you've done nothing yet. You're always planning, always predicting, always fixing. It's like your brain never gets to rest, even in a clean house. 4. The lie of the perfect home. You scroll through your phone. You see spotless kitchens, white counters, perfect lighting, no clutter, no sign of life, and you start comparing. You think your house isn't clean enough, not neat enough, not beautiful enough. So you clean harder. You scrub corners that don't even need it. You stay up late vacuuming. You call it deep cleaning, but really, it's punishment. You're chasing an image that doesn't exist in real life. Those pictures, they're staged, edited, controlled. Real homes are messy, lived in. They breathe. They hold crumbs, fingerprints, laughter, and chaos. And that's okay. The moment you stop chasing perfection, you stop resenting the act of cleaning. You start doing it for comfort, not for comparison. 5. The emotional mess hiding in corners. There's another kind of dirt, one that doesn't come off with soap. Emotional clutter. That drawer filled with old letters. That closet with clothes you no longer wear but can't throw away. You tell yourself it's just stuff, but it's not. It's memory. It's pain. It's pieces of who you used to be. And when you clean those spaces, you're not just organizing things, you're confronting yourself. That's why it feels heavy. You sit on the floor surrounded by old photos, and suddenly, cleaning becomes something else entirely. It becomes emotional labor. You're sorting through your past. No wonder it's tiring. Sometimes the mess isn't on the table, it's in your heart. And that's okay too. Take it slow. Let the emotions breathe as you clean. 6. The space that works against you. You ever notice how some rooms make you feel lazy? Dark corners, stale air, cluttered shelves. Your body reacts before your brain does. You walk in and instantly feel drained. That's because your environment affects your energy. A messy space tells your mind, you can't rest here. But also, cleaning in a dull, airless place makes you tired faster. So open the window, let light in, play something soft in the background. Music changes everything. Maybe light a candle if you like. Make the space feel alive before you start cleaning it. Because cleaning isn't just about removing dirt. It's about creating air, movement, mood. When the space feels lighter, so do you. 7. Doing it all alone. This one hurts. Because sometimes it's not the cleaning that breaks you. It's doing it alone. You pick up after everyone. You manage everything. And nobody notices. You start resenting the people you love because they don't see how much effort it takes just to keep things running. You tell yourself, it's fine, but it's not. Cleaning was never meant to be a one-person job. It's meant to be shared. Even talking while you're clean can help. Even having music playing makes it feel less lonely. Ask for help. Divide chores or let go of some control. It doesn't have to be perfect, just fair. Cleaning should never feel like punishment. It should feel like care, from everyone, for everyone. 8. The missing power of routine. You know what's more tiring than cleaning? Cleaning without a plan. You wait until everything is a disaster, and then you spend the whole day fixing it. That's not cleaning, that's firefighting. It's chaos. You burn yourself out, swear you'll never do it again, and then the cycle repeats. But if you create a rhythm, just small, simple habits, everything changes. 10 minutes after breakfast, quick tidy before bed, small acts, predictable ones. Your brain relaxes because it knows when it will happen. The mess no longer sneaks up on you. That's how routines work. They protect your peace. You don't need to clean more. You just need to clean smarter. 9. Rest is not laziness. Let's make something clear. You can't pour from an empty bucket. You can't clean properly when you're exhausted. When your body says stop, listen, sit down, breathe. Sometimes you need rest more than you need a clean floor. The guilt you feel when you rest, that's not yours to carry. Society made you believe that productivity equals worth. But cleaning isn't about constant motion, it's about balance. Work, then pause. Clean, then breathe. When you rest, you refill the energy that cleaning takes away. And ironically, that's when you start enjoying it again. You start to feel control, not defeat. Because cleaning is lighter when your soul isn't heavy. 10. Redefining what clean really means. Maybe clean doesn't mean spotless. Maybe it means peaceful. Maybe it means enough space to breathe, enough order to move freely. Not perfect, just comfortable. The kind of clean that feels lived in, warm, honest. That's what you should aim for. Because if you're always chasing flawless, you'll always feel behind. You'll never rest. But if you see cleaning as care, not a task, not punishment, you'll stop being tired of it. You'll see it as something gentle, a small gift to yourself. Your home doesn't need perfection. It needs peace. And so do you. So next time you feel that wave of exhaustion before you even start, stop blaming yourself. You're not lazy. You're not bad at cleaning. You're just human, caught inside a rhythm that never ends. Maybe the trick isn't cleaning harder. It's cleaning gentler, slower, kinder. One small space at a time. one breath at a time. And remember, your home doesn't have to be perfect to feel peaceful. It just has to feel like you. Thanks for watching. If this hit something deep inside you, then maybe it's time to look at cleaning differently. This is Cleaning Vibes, where we talk about the life that hides behind the chores. See you in the next one. Same calm, same real talk, same cozy vibe.